வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் மீனா வித் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ். நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறது 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் மேக்ஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் ரிலேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸில் ஒன் வேர்ட் பார்க்க போகிறோம்.
If A cross B is an empty set, then which of the following is true? The options are A is a null set, B is a null set, either A or B is a null set, both A and B are null set. The correct answer is option C, either A or B is a null set. If set A equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, then what should be the values of set B so that A cross B equal to B cross A? The options are set 1, 2, set 1, 3, set 2, 3, set 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is option D, the set 1, 2, 3. ஆன்சர் இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு பார்ப்போம். A cross B equal to B cross Aன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ நமக்கு ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலாக இருந்தால் தான் இந்த இது பாசிபிள் ஆகும். தட் இஸ் A cross B equal to B cross A only when two sets A and B are equal. If A equal to set of A belongs to W, where A is an even number less than 10 and n of A cross B is 20. Find n of B. The options are 5, 4, 20, 2. The correct answer is option B, 4. The answer எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னு பார்ப்போம். ஏங்கிற செட் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? A is an even number less than 10. அப்போ ஈவன் நம்பர் ஜீரோலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். அது W ஹோல் நம்பருங்கிறதுனால 0 இன்க்ளூட் ஆகும். 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Therefore, n of A is 5. Given n of A cross B is 20. We have the formula n of A cross B equal to n of A into n of B. Therefore, 20 equal to 5 into n of B. n of B equal to 20 by 5. That is 4. That is the answer. Which of the following is a distributive property of Cartesian product over intersection? Options are A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection C. A intersection B cross C equal to A intersection B cross A intersection C. The correct answer is option A, A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Cartesian product of three non-empty sets indicates an object in dash dimensions. Options are 2, 3, either 2 or 3 cannot be determined. The correct answer is option B, 3. The Cartesian product of three non-empty sets is the set of all possible dash. Options are A ordered triplets, ordered triples, ordered doubles, ordered pair. The correct answer is option A, ordered triplets. Cartesian product of two non-empty sets provides a shape in dash dimensions. Options are 2, 3, 1 cannot be determined. The correct answer is option A, 2. Which of the following is a distributive property of Cartesian product over union? The options are A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union C equal to A cross B union C. A union B cross C equal to A union B cross A union C. The correct answer is option B. A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. Thank you.